Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to use the new import question feature in Google Forms. So now the newest update in Google Forms is to be able to import a question from a previous form into a new form. So what you need to do is create your new form, and notice here on the right side there's an extra icon here to import questions. If I click on this import question icon, it's going to allow me to select the form that I want to get the question from. So I'm going to use the Capital Quiz form, and I'm going to hit select. And notice here on the right panel, it prompts me with all the questions that are in the Capital Quiz form. So I am going to simply click on this question here, what is the capital of New Jersey, and click import question. Once I do that, it brings in the question into my new Google form. And you can see here that when I click on the answer key, it kept all of the parameters the same. It kept the correct choice for my multiple choice. It kept my feedback, and it also kept my feedback URL video. So as you can see, this is a great new feature in Google Forms. I hope you found this screencast helpful.